there in July, and then one in September. And there's everything pre-flight. It's a great show. We have radio control as well. The theme this year, especially my ADHs, is going to be especially commemorating the 1914 war. So there you go, it'll be 100 years which we're celebrating, so we're celebrating, you know what I mean?
We have 672 watching it online.
At this moment, 672 clicks have just switched on the internet to watch everybody here. Thank you. This is one aircraft. These are all those from that World War I. Famous Storm Patrol. And you see airplanes flying properly. They're not flying on scale 3,000 miles an hour or anything like that. That's an SC-5 fighter just taking off there. Albatross, the numbers here are going high. Another line decker takes to the slide. A couple of them there flying to the Fokker. An Italian goes off now. A Fokker takes off now. Now they're all getting together, and one thing the Dawn Patrol do, they're wonderful at bringing the aeroplanes down low. You all have heard of that. Moran goes by up there, look. Wonderful.
Aircraft in turns. I had one for a little while, but I couldn't live with it. I found it very, very twitchy. Didn't feel comfortable. The software flop on the rocket van, the pocket inside. Stable in the air. It seems to be a very, very forgiving aircraft. And young Mick Rowe, when he flies this aggressively, it looks good as well. So it's a nice model.
I love it. Now they're all members of the Dawn Patrol. Tell us about the Dawn Patrol. Come on, then.
Well, the Dawn Patrol is national. Anybody can join the World War III model. I can find people decide if they enjoy this or not. But obviously, it comes down to what your level of competence is in there. We'll soon look at the aircraft. A reasonable level of detail, so you've got to know the engine. Obviously a pilot in the cockpit, but other than that, it's pretty much overdreaded. We'd like to see models which are from the World War I era, and we'd like to see aces or anything that's special. So, if you've got the flyby, the red and white Fokker D7, that's mine returns to that. The Albatross D3 was further watch. But they're all people who actually flown through. There's a little bit of history connected to every aircraft that we actually fly. Brilliant.
Is it possible to ask some of those that are left, are they landing now, or can they bring us down for a low flyby? Gentlemen, can you hear me out there? If you can bring them down. Ian, can you get them to do a low flyby for us, please? Well, thank you, Dave, ever so much for your kindness. See you later, please, all right? Well done, Dave. There's one of the Dawn Patrol. There's the famous Dawn Patrol. Emblem great guy. There's a low shot for you. Very well done. It's nice to get it in the camera. You like a bit of low shot, Alex, don't you, right? Yep. Down we come. Camel down there, look. And let's see the others coming down. This young fellow here, look, he built his own insurance studies aeroplane to make it sound exactly like a full-size aeroplane. Flying Decker goes by now. Goodness gracious. Speak up to see the BMFA people. Morning BMFA officials up there in the Barcloth. Do go to the British National Championships. It'll be the last time around for nice staying over the weekend this time. So on the very left hand end, we all belong to the BMFA, British Model Flying Association. And me like Reg, go and say hello to them up there, right? Morning to the BMFA. I don't know, up there.